What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching my girlfriend how to change her own oil on her 2016 Jeep Patriot. Alright, so stay right there. Now I'm going to put these under your tires. So come up a little bit. Don't hit the gas too hard. Good, park. Ready to do this oil change?
I'm at the grocery. I'm gonna be ready to pee. You're telling me you can't think when I have to pee.
Alright, that's not the first step. This is what you're gonna do. Put these chocks behind your back tires so they don't roll, so the car doesn't roll back. Step number one.
Why do I have to do it?
Because it's your oil change.
Who buys it?
Me? What do you mean? Well, next, let's pop your hood. Let it cool down.
Is it hot in there?
No. There's a little stick. Look at you! I'll help you. What are those?
All the cardio.
This cap right here, take it off. That way when we drain the oil, it flows out better. Capiche? Or not. Need gloves?
It's tight.
What's your strong hand? There you go, yeah.
I know which way, but...
It's a bad angle. Oh my god, step one she can't even do. Open a cap.
You try. Here, let me film you. Try. That was tight.
Alright, let's pretend that didn't happen. Go.
Ew, it smells.
What smells?
Like nasty.
Now? Let's go into the car.
I don't want to go into the car. I don't want to get my hair dirty.
Oh, your head's not gonna be on the floor.
Where's it gonna be? I don't like it.
You feel what?
Claustrophobic.
You
I feel
take
like
that bolt out.
A double chin from this angle. I really feel uncomfortable. I feel like a double chin. Don't leave me under here.
No, I'm just trying to get the camera ready.
I'm out of this place. I don't like it.
That's it?
It's so, everything's so stuffy down there.
Tag me in. Okay.
First, you have to unscrew the screw thing. Oh, don't make this car fall.
There we go. Loosened it. The rest by El Mano.
Does that mean hand in Spanish?
Alright, so it's gonna squirt everywhere, right?
In your eyes, should you be wearing goggles?
Make sure to put on your safety goggles. Reporting for duty.
I'm not even gonna make fun of you because you're doing this for me.
What is there to make fun of?
You want me to get all up in there?
Oh, man, not too close. I don't want to get oil on the camera.
Ew. The fuck was that?
I don't know, you got weird down here.
That's thick.
Now, we let this drain. All the old caca oil.
I hate that word.
Alright, now that it's not leaking, we're gonna put this drain plug back in. And then we'll tighten it. It's a 13mm socket.
You expected me to be rolling around on the ground like you are right now?
Just shimmying around.
That was gross.
Yellow right there, that's the oil filter. We're gonna be taking that out and putting a new one in there.
Looks like an egg yolk.
We're gonna be swift.
I don't think they're ready.
We're gonna be swift.
Why, more oil's gonna come out of it?
Yeah. It has so many threads. There it comes.
Why is that one black? What if I wanted a yellow one?
Then you better take your butt to AutoZone and get your own stuff.
Nope.
Lube it up a little bit.
Ew.
Get it all nice and lubed. Now we're just gonna screw this back in. Should go on there pretty easily, and then you just want to hand tighten it. Like in my nostril.
Alright, so shout out Fumoto. She needs a Fumoto drain valve because that was really hard. She couldn't do it, I had to do it. So we need to get her a Fumoto drain valve. Hopefully you guys can send her one out for Christmas, you know? Who knows? You have nice handwriting, so you're gonna do this part since you can't do the rest. Well, you're gonna do this.
I wasn't recording that whole time.
Shut up.
I was in April Fools.
It's not April's.
Is that what that is? Funnel.
Funnel.
Does that fit in my hole?
According to the owner's manual, you want 4.5 quarts. Alright, as long as it's not overflowing, I think we're good. Alright, so we put 4.5 quarts in. We're gonna put the cap back on. We're all good. So the bolt's tightened. We have the filter on. Put oil in, put that in. So now we're gonna run the car. We're gonna turn it on for a little bit, let the oil circulate. Then we're gonna check the dipstick right here. Make sure it's at the right level while she cleans up since She didn't do it.
Dipstick.
All right, so we're gonna take the dipstick out, clean it really good. Then we're gonna put it back in the little hole. Push it all the way down, click it, and pull it back out. Like full oil, like you see how there's space, like no oil in between there, but here there's all oil. So it's up to like this line, which is safe. You see the safe sign?
Yeah.
You're gonna fully depress and release the accelerator pedal 3 times within 10 seconds.
Wait, what?
The accelerator pedal, like the gas, 3 times all the way down. Is that the brake? Oh my God. All right, put it in the on position, which is not turning the car on, but you're turning the battery on. Okay, now wait.
1, 2, 3.
Too fast.
Within 10 seconds.
Yeah, that was like 2 seconds. And are you going all the way down and all the way up?
Yes. I don't know about that part.
This thing says change oil. We're selling your car and you're taking the bus.
I did it.
You good? All right, good. Your next oil change? Next time you're doing it.
Nope.
You know how to do it now. All right, so there you have it. Her first oil change. So what'd you think about the first oil change?
I never want to do it again. It was scary.
It was scary. What was the scariest part about it?
Being claustrophobic under a car that could fall on your head. No thanks.
Say something funny.
I think I'm gonna pay for an oil change in the future.
Why? You don't want me to do it? You don't trust me?
You made me do it.
What if next time?
I don't make you cook your own food.
Can you just pass me the tools
No,
next
I don't
time?
make you pass me the spatula.
Oh, but you make me do the dishes.
No, what? Since when? Since when's the last time you've done a dish that I've cooked in?
Thank you.
If you think JJ should just suck it up and do my oil change without me facilitating, comment down below.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. That was your opportunity.
I did it. Ready more of that? I didn't know power stealing was a juice.
Don't hide, don't hide. Ready?